Hey guys, welcome to the stream. So on this stream, we're gonna be hopefully seeing something about Unrealgamesync. So I have the documentation up here. Unrealgamesync reference. This page describes how to configure Unrealgamesync for deployment as a studio. So this is basically, what's the word for it? Um, I don't know. It's like SVN, but it's a built-in Unreal tool. I'm forgetting the source control. So it's you can hook it in for Perforce, and basically you can have a really solid source control. It's used for bigger studios, and that's for a reason. Obviously, what our project isn't a large studio, but I want to see if I can get this working anyway. If I can't, then we'll probably just use GitHub or SVN. We'll see. But I want to try this first just to see if I can do it, because it does require a lot. Because it requires a server, an installer, installing the program, hooking it up. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all that because it is a lot of stuff, but I mean, it's at least worth trying to do. So let's follow the guide here. I'll link this into the video description as well. So let's get started. So the source code for Unrealgamesync is under Engine, Source, Program. Okay, let's just see. So it's on our C drive, Unreal Engine, Source, Programs, Unrealgamesync. Okay, so here is the solution file, but there's also an installer. So the solution has a bunch of these projects. It says the main program, the launcher for which automatically updates the main program, the metadata server. I don't know what REST API. I don't know what REST means. That deploys alongside UGS to enable its full feature set. We got the installer. This is typically used to get the launcher on the developer machines, which can then automatically update and run. Requires Wix 3.8 to build. Okay. It's not a lot of information on. Okay, well, let's go to the installer. That's just the ICO. It's an icon. That doesn't really do anything for us. So let's open up the solution, I guess. What's the installer custom? No. Okay. There is a text file. The latest version of this documentation can be found at this URL. I swear if that's where I'm at already, then okay. Okay, so it doesn't even take me there. So that's cool. Let's go back. This doesn't help. Is there like a readme or anything? No. I guess we could just wait for the solution file to open. Okay. So it says it has 3 projects, right? It has a bunch of projects. So it has the main program. So it has the installer. So the MSI installer, this is typically used to get the launcher on. Okay. Can I just do something with this? Like, can I build this? Okay, let's build it, I guess, and see what happens. Okay, so it succeeded, but I don't know what that means. Nothing really happened. Unrealsync launcher. That's the icon. Okay, let's build the whole thing. And we'll see what happens. And it finished. That was quick. I don't know what needs to be done. So we got Unrealgamesync. We got the launcher. Is there an exe maybe? Bin. Okay, so we have the exe. Can I create a shortcut, I guess? Let's get that. Create a shortcut and put it to the taskbar. Let's see what happens. Unrealgamesync requires the Perforce command line tools. Please download and install okay. So we gotta do that. Perforce.com. Okay. Maybe version control. It's free for up to 5 users and 20 workspaces. Okay. Let's see. Devin, Sherry, generic game company. That's my business email. And pricing for 5. No, don't work for a company. Yeah. Unlock my tools. Let's see if this works. Unlocked. Okay. We'll be in touch soon. Look for an email within 24 hours. What? Okay. Maybe we'll get it right away. No. Oh, wait. Got him. Okay. You're only steps away from a serious tools upgrade. How to install the Perforce in AD Studio Pack. Download Helix separation charge below. Send an email with the update line to request the special. Okay. Guess we gotta download all this stuff. Download server. Windows 64, I guess. That version's good. Okay. Download. Following may help you. Are you using ad blocker? I am using ad blocker. Don't run on this page. Okay, let's try that again. Windows 64. Download. Nope. Okay, I'm browsing in a private. No. If you're using Firefox, no. Try clearing your cache. Manage extensions. Okay. Turn off ad blocker. Manage extensions. Turn that off. Okay. Let's try that again. Download server. Windows 64 and then that version. Still no? Why? I'm not in a private tab. Okay. Empty the cache. Okay. Guess so. Settings. What did it say? History. Let's just do cache. Guess we can clear cached. Okay. Try that again. Ooh, got him. Okay. Yeah. No, generic game company. Free small team. Other, I guess, role. Let's see, game producer. I agree to the terms, yeah. I don't really work for a company, so register. Okay, download. Okay. Guess we can have a folder for Perforce. No, we'll just download that to the desktop. Okay. We got this. All right. Double click, yeah. This is gonna be very hard. So let's see if we can do it. Initializing. Oh god. Click on the icon display to change. Let's see. Okay. We'll just install everything. Command line, yes. Next. Port number. Okay. Let me write that down. Okay. That's good. Port number, server. Okay. And then let's just write all that down. Okay. Text editing application. Let's make that Sublime. Do I have Sublime somewhere? I didn't download programs. Oh. Sublime. This. Got it. Username Devin Sherry. Let's just make it Devin.Sherry. Just see. To begin, click Start to review or change anything. Back. So start. Okay. Don't know what I'm doing. So let's see if I don't break anything. I shouldn't be breaking anything with our project, at least, but you know, Lord knows I have no idea what I'm doing. And if I get this right, then I have to help other people install it, I think. Whoever's gonna be working on my team so they can connect. So I don't even know if this is worth it. But we'll see. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Display technical documentation webpage. Yeah. Alright, so client applications connect settings for server. So Devin dash a 167 Devin dash Sherry 167. Display technical documentation webpage. Yes, finish. I would love to have the documentation one. Okay, I'm gonna just bookmark that. Okay, so we did the first one. Okay, download client. I also want the client. Windows 64, download. Click to download. Okay. So far, the second part is not as bad, which is nice. Okay, let's download it. What else do I have to do? Hands off? I guess I'll download it, but we'll see. Okay, so thanks for signing up. First steps. So I got it. Oh. Okay. Let's not freak out. Let's do it one thing at a time. Does this documentation on Unreal even tell us what to do? No. No. Okay. I'm definitely in the dark. This is definitely not something I know anything about. The installed version of the Microsoft Visual Studio is real great, then it may not be compatible with people. If it's secure uninstalled, then run this installer again. We'll risk it. Fine. Server 166 username. Yes. Text editor. Yes. Install. Okay. Successfully install applications. Yeah. Okay. Next. Is it under social promotions? Okay. Download Handsoft. Okay. Your free agile tool for modern teamwork. What is this? Fine. Director or manager. Fine. Select my team. Other. Poland. Yes. Okay. Install on Windows. Yeah. Installation instructions. I guess we'll only have 5 users. And then we'll go from there. Okay. It's almost done. Is it done? Yes. Okay. Yes. English. Boom. Boom. All. Custom? All. Okay. Yes. That's fine. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. Luckily, I wrote all this down. So, I really don't know what the end result of this stuff is going to be. We'll find out the hard way, I suppose. I don't think I'll need this email anymore. So we can close it. Maybe need that. Good Unrealgamesync. Still downloading stuff. Okay. Okay, it's completed. Great. Something's happening. Okay. Always trust the certificate. Yes, I trust the server. What the hell is this? Okay. Okay. I don't know how any of this works. I think I gotta read documentation on it. I'm not gonna touch it. So we're gonna exit that. Okay, it's one of those kind of programs where it doesn't really exit. So I'll leave it alone. We don't need this stuff anymore. Empty. Yes. Okay. Now, let's go back to what we were doing. So I'm all right. Fingers crossed that that same pop-up message does not appear because I think I've downloaded everything. Oh, okay. Server. Is it this one? Default user. Devin.sherry. Depot path. I don't know. Oh. Oh, what the? I don't know what the depot path is. Let's try 117. Oh, something happened. Checking for updates. So that's doing something, but it's not doing what I want it to do. I don't even know what I want it to do. View log. Okay. Unable to communicate with remote server. TCP connected Perforce 166 failed. So do I need to do this one? What is my depot path? That's what I don't know. So what's the log? So I definitely need this one, I believe. Default user. What is my depot path? Okay. Unrealgamesync depot path. Let's see if anything exists. Populating Perforce. Oh, jeez. Oh, sorry, I'm just reading this. Unable to get login status. P4V. Let's see. Server, user, yes, workspace, optional. So this is what I'm looking at, right? So new user. Well, no. Okay. Yes. No. Okay. Um. Um. Maybe this is my depot path? Connect. No. Failed to sync application. I don't know why. Okay. Let's just keep looking at it. Designate you as a super user. Log in as a super user by navigating the tools. What? Okay. Tools. Administration. Hello. If you proceed, you will become the sole user. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. I'm a super user. Great. Okay. By default, user accounts do not need passwords and anyone can create an account. This is terrible behavior, so we will address it. Enforce user account passwords by going to administration. Then administration. Password security. Is it level? Yes. Okay. Okay. I need to have this written down, but somewhere where you guys can't see it, because I don't want you seeing this, but I'll just remember. I'll write it on the Trello board, I guess, but that's also public information. Okay. Click through all the errors. Disable public user account and creation. This is where it gets a little tricky. Close the administration tool and go back to your Perforce client. Okay. Enforce. Okay. Click. Enforce Perforce client environment settings by navigating to connection environment settings and then clicking OK. Open up a command prompt by clicking on the start. Okay. In the new command prompt, type the following and hit enter. P4 configure set dm.user.no auto create equals 2. Okay. If so, move on to the next step. Okay. Run the following command line to disable unauthorized users of your Perforce server. Okay. P4 configure set run.users.authorize equal 1 for server any. Okay. Run the following command to disable. Okay. Configure set dm.keys.hide equals 2. Okay. If so, you're done. Yay. Okay. Build the Unreal Engine from source code. Have a clean build on your client machine. I recommend doing this on a clean folder with a simple path. We will be coming back to this later. Okay, we did that. Oh, this is too. I don't know why, but this is very, very, very intense, and I'm freaking out. Okay. A Perforce workspace is basically a local copy of a project that can work on while pulling updates and pushing changes to the Perforce server. You will have to do this for every client who has access to the Perforce server. To create a new workspace, choose New Workspace. Okay. Workspace, file, New Workspace. How do? So Workspace. New Workspace. Okay. We are going to create this workspace so that it is properly set up for working with Unreal Engine. The details of this are out of scope of this guide, but using these settings will ensure a good workspace. Okay. Your workspace name should be short and simple. I tend to use my last name followed by where this starts. Okay. Workspace name. Devon. Collaborative project. Okay. Your workspace root should be as short as possible. I prefer to use the path and depot. Okay. We'll put this in E. Then we'll do depot, or we'll call this main repo. Okay. Or a new folder. That's fine. There we go. Do not hit OK just yet. Make sure your basic settings look something like this and switch over to the Advanced tab. Okay. Now Advanced. Leave all the settings at default except change the one circled here. Okay. 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 Is that it? Backup enabled. Okay. Cancel. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Now you know why I've been really hesitant to do this, because like I'm so lost on what I'm just this guy, whoever. All right, Alar, whoever you are, I'm definitely linking this documentation because so far it's been pretty good. Um, but I really don't know what I'm doing, and I'm freaking out internally and externally at this point. So let's just, I guess, keep going. Set up Perforce file mappings. Perforce treats files differently based on their extension. For example, any code files are treated as text files that can be diffed, and any files it doesn't recognize are usually treated as binary files that only one person can check out and modify at a time. It is really useful to set up file mappings for Unreal Engine related files so that Perforce knows how to handle them correctly. First, ensure your machine's environment variables are set by navigating to connection, environment settings, and clicking OK. Okay. Then open command prompt. Okay. In command prompt, enter the following and hit enter. P4 type map. Oh, okay. Your text editor should load with a file that looks something like this, which it does. Now replace the contents of that file with the following. Please note that if you set up your Perforce server so that your depot name is no longer, please replace repo references to depot. Okay. Crap. What did I put? Oh, shit. Okay, let's just do that. I know it's not depot. Is it? It's main repo. Ah! Main repo. So, main repo, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how people do this in general, man. There's a lot more smarter people out there than me. And that's fine. Can't do everything by yourself, right? Okay. Is that all that says depot? Let's do a quick search. Is there no like a control find? Find. Yeah, it is control F. Oh, it's at the bottom. Depot. Okay. Cool. Save and close this text file and ah, crap. Oh, we still have it. Type map saved. Got it. Okay, so move on to the next step. Not review this. Set up the ignore file. Oh! Okay. Ow. Okay, by default, Perforce is going to want to have control over a ton of files it doesn't need and would, in fact, interfere with productivity. We can tell Perforce to ignore these files by using a .p4ignore file, creating the .p4 file. Create a dot. Okay, to do this, open up Notepad and save a blank file inside your workspace root. What is my workspace root? I'm guessing my workspace root don't know which one's my I don't know which one it is. Because it's either gonna be this one. Okay, I'm gonna say it's this one. So D. Okay, so create what? So, oh, notepad, open up a name. Okay, so I'm gonna go up supply text. Then, all right, copy and paste the following into it and save it. Do I have to do a name like .p4 ignore? .p4 ignore? Is that, do I have to name it that way? I don't know. Save. Okay. So we got a P. Okay. So it works. Okay. E-game. Okay. I don't want to worry about this just yet. So whatever. Exit out. P4.ignore. Okay, it's in there. Note if you know you'll like to. Okay, telling Perforce to use this ignore file. Okay, open up a command prompt and navigate to my workspace root. Okay. Okay. Change directory to D. What? CDD. What? I'm not. Oh, I'm in E. What? Oh. Okay. Fine. Ah, what? CD. Change directory. I don't understand why it's not going there. What? Okay. Well, we can always do it like this. CMD. And now we're there. I don't know why CD changing directories doesn't work, but whatever. Okay. If Workspace root is not on C, such as you will need to run the following command replacing D with Workspace. Yeah. Okay. Wait, so can you literally just do that? Oh. Okay. Run the following command. P4 set P4 ignore equals dot P4 ignore. If successful, this will not output anything. Okay. We are now going to submit our first file to the Perforce server, specifically this new one. Okay. Great. All right, I'm gonna bookmark this. Oh, this I'm very scared. We are going to submit our first file to the Perforce server, specifically this new ignore file. To do this, find the file in the workspace tree. Okay. Oh, found it. Mark for add. This will add this ignore file to our change list. Change lists are a list of the changes that you've made locally that have not been saved. Find the change list in our page. If you're not seeing the change list tab, blah, blah, blah. Right click the change and click submit. Oop, don't need that. Add files to pending change list. Default, fine. Okay, we'll see new. Just so we can say adding ignore. No, wait. enter such as yeah, adding ignore file. This ignore file is now stored on the Perforce server. Submit. Oh, well, we did it. Okay. Putting the Unreal Engine build on Perforce. Move everything in your builder to your workspace. Your workspace root should look like this. Ah, poop. I have to move everything? Ah, crap. Okay. Let's just do it. There it is. Okay. Okay, Kobe. No. Move. Okay, so this is gonna take a while. And I guess that's fine. Ugh. This is gonna take a while, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna take. I assume a long time. But it's nothing I can really do about it. But there is a lot of documentation left. So I think maybe I'll make this a two-parter. I'm gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna move everything to this new directory. And in the next stream, we'll hopefully finish the rest of this. This might be a good place to stop. Thanks for watching. I hope, I doubt you learned anything just because I'm just as confused as you. But, you know, maybe I'll make a tutorial about this, but there's literally just like this documentation that seems to be working so far. So I might as well just link that, not really just, I don't want to make a tutorial of just reading this tutorial. So I might just link it and that'll be enough. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Blah.